Hello, I'm a regular European investor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 stocks to buy in September 2020. I made this list based on my personal research, which could be wrong definitely, but time will show. So, first one on the list is Verizon. Verizon is one of the largest communication technology companies in the world, and they are one of the world's leading providers of technology, communications, information and entertainment products and services. I chose this stock due to good financial. Their stock is currently seen as undervalued, which is defined as a stock that is selling at a price significantly below what is assumed to be its intrinsic value. I also see a lot of potential in 5G network as it features low latency, high capacity and increased bandwidth compared to 4G. These network improvements will have far-reaching impact on how people live, work and play all over the world. So these qualities can bring high value in the long run. Next stock is Wingstop. Wingstop Incorporated is a chain of nostalgic aviation-themed restaurants specializing in chicken wings. What I like about this stock is that it exceeds earning expectations during last 2 quarters. Also, it had fast recovery from COVID-19, which took just around 1 month. It also has high potential for growth in terms of number of restaurants to be opened, and Wingstop stores have higher unit margins than McDonald's. And it is said that currently it is in a similar state where McDonald's was in late 60s. And you definitely know where it is now since then. Also, it has other good qualities. For example, its business model is friendly for work from home economics. Also, chicken meat consumption is increasing statistically due to sustainability activities happening around the world, and etc. Its current buy rating is 2.2 at the time of writing this script, and me personally do not see it as a good short-term investment, but it can bring a lot of value long-term. For example, 5 to 10 years maybe. My next pick is Alibaba. Alibaba Group Holding Limited, also known as Alibaba Group and as Alibaba.com, is a Chinese multinational technology company specializing in e-commerce, retail, internet and technology. That's my favorite stock from the whole list, but unfortunately I'm not planning to buy it due to my personal diversification rules. As you can see from my Revolut screenshot here, I already have 2 open positions and I am not a big fan of putting too many eggs in one basket. But just to comment, this stock still has a lot of potential to grow. Analysts sees it as a buy and it is currently undervalued. The only concern I have is the political relationship between China and US. Alibaba stock has also survived COVID-19 pandemic and kept growing without major hiccups, even though it has started in its homeland. Stock number 4, Walmart. Unfortunately, I have not had any Amazon stocks in my portfolio when it took a huge rally this year. However, competitors are starting to show progress in cutting into Amazon's massive lead in e-commerce. And my next stock pick, Walmart, is one of them. Walmart's online sales lately increased by 97%. However, as of today, Walmart doesn't have that perfect PEG and PE ratio and it is seen as overpriced. and I would not recommend buying this stock short term, but from my personal point of view, it is good to have some blue chip stocks in your portfolio in order to diversify the risks and have some stability. Walmart is not the best short-term investment, but mid to long run it can be quite beneficial. Also, analyst price target of $143 looks reasonable to me. My last pick is Pluralsight. Pluralsight Incorporated is an American publicly held online education company that offers a variety of video training courses for software developers, IT administrators, and creative professionals through its website. I think digital learning is our future, and IT topic is really hot right now, and probably will be in the long run as well, so I strongly believe in this product. Also, I had a chance to participate in a few presentations led by Pluralsight, where I had the possibility to compare it with other learning platforms as Coursera, Udemy, or etc. Pluralsight has analyst price target of 24 and a high 1.9 by recommendation rating. It has shown stable results during last 3 quarters by beating expectations 4 times in a row, quite dramatically. Once again, as stock is currently seen as overvalued, I don't see it as a good short-term investment, but it can be profitable in the long run. And I am an investor, not a trader, so this approach suits me well. So to summarize, my top 5 stock picks for today are Verizon, Wing, Alibaba, Walmart, and Pluralsight. I would like to hear your thoughts about these stocks. Can you share those in the comments, please? Thanks in advance. I would also like to remind that in order to boost dialogues around stock investment, I am starting a challenge in this channel. Top 3 of voted stock suggestions received from my subscribers during August will be monitored during next month, September. And I am planning to give away free t-shirt for the person suggesting best performing stock for that month. I am not a professional or licensed investor, so do not take my videos as an investment advice, please. I build this channel only for entertainment and educational purposes. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you are interested in investing and found this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.